So surrounding area around this hotel is a bit busier than what I had before. So you've got a nice selection of bars, restaurants. What's that, 24? I thought it said 24-hour shop, it's 24-hour online. God knows what that is. But still, I can't find the simple task of just getting a bottle of water. Oh yeah, I can. There's a spa shop up there. Bingo. It's got Malibu Calf Pub. And you got the spa shop. I'm sure they'll do me some water and some sweets or crisps, something to snack on. Hola. This definitely isn't easy. Switching off for now, guys. So guys, I was in the spa shop. I got some crisps, some water, a Lion chocolate bar and some Tic Tacs. But the person in front of me was slow as hell. He had a full trolley of food and was taking everything out single-handedly, one by one. Took absolutely ages. I was fuming. I mean, what is all that about? You know what I mean? I mean, what is it about? I mean, see, they've got people behind them waiting in a queue. The term old fart comes to mind. Anyway, back to the area. So yeah, the hotel is there that I'm staying at tonight. And we've got a few bars and restaurants around this area, and it seems a little bit more built up than where I have been staying. So like I said, we've got the coconut bar that I'm sure don't sell coconuts. One of these crisps are like Cheetos, Pandilla, and Reliant Aquarius. That bar behind me seems busy. So yeah, that's the hotel from the outside. the Manos pub that's actually attached to the hotel. I guess that opens late in the evening, which I won't be around to see. So yeah, you got the few bars there. Although they're very quiet, I must say. But one thing I've noticed about this resort, everything picks up at night time, and at night time things get busy. So now we're approaching the hotel entrance. Where I'm going to go and get my head down for a couple of hours. Well, an hour. Should really use one of them lifts, but I'm only one floor up, so can't see the point. So I'm in this room. One, two, 7. And now it's chill out time for me. I'll catch you on the next one. I've got a busy night ahead of me.